Hey DIYers, Jarrett with Alarm Grid here. Today we're going to be discussing how to disable the auto stay arming feature in the Qolsys IQ panel 2. The way you would disable the auto stay arming feature is you would go into the arming and security menu of the Qolsys alarm system inside of the advanced security settings. But you will need the installer code in order to make these changes. The auto stay arming feature is a feature that is enabled or is available in most alarm systems. So if you were a user and you wanted to put the system to an armed away mode, but you do have this feature enabled, you will need to fault an entry exit zone in order for the alarm system to successfully go into an armed away mode. The auto stay arming feature is a feature that is enabled to prevent certain false alarms. So if you were to put the system into an armed away mode and you were still inside of the building, you could potentially set off a false alarm by either tripping a motion detector, glass break detector, or a door contact. The way that the auto stay arming mode works is that if you were to put the system to an armed away mode, but you do not fault an entry exit zone, the system will assume that you are still inside of the building. So you do want to keep that in mind. Now, what I mean by putting the system to an armed away mode, but you do not fault an entry exit zone, what I'm going to do is I do have a sensor programmed into the alarm system right now. And I'm going to put the system into an armed away mode, but I am not going to fault this entry exit zone. And you will see that the Qolsys IQ panel 2 will go into armed stay arming mode, or auto stay arming mode. So as you can see, because I did not fault this entry exit zone, the system has gone to an armed stay mode because it did assume that I still am inside the building. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the system to an armed away mode. Well, I'm going to fault this entry exit zone. But I am going to fault this entry exit zone to show you that the system will go into an armed away mode. So as you can see, because I did fault the entry exit zone, the alarm system has gone to an armed away mode. So if you were a user and you did want to disable the auto stay arming feature in the Qolsys IQ panel 2, you're just going to follow these simple steps. So what you want to do is you're going to want to click the little gray bar that's on the top of the screen. And you're going to click Settings. Okay, when you're in this menu, you're going to look on the right side and you will see Advanced Settings. So in this area, you're going to type in the installer code. The default installer code is 1111. And when you're in this menu, what you're going to want to look for is on the top left, you should see Installation. So you're just going to press Installation. And on the right side, you will see Security and Arming. So you're just going to tap Security and Arming real quick. And then it's going to take you to this menu. So when you're in this menu, you're going to scroll down until you see Auto Stay. You see Auto Stay right here, and you're going to see a checkbox on the right side. So what you want to do is you're going to want to click the checkbox so that it is unchecked. Once you've confirmed that you have unchecked the correct box, to go back all the way to the home screen and save the changes, you're just going to press the house icon. So to show you that the system has, that we have successfully disabled the auto stay arming feature in the Qolsys IQ panel 2, I'm going to put the system to an armed away mode, but I'm not going to fault the entry exit zone. As you can see, the system has successfully gone to an armed away mode because I did disable the auto stay arming feature. And that is how you disable the auto stay arming feature in the Qolsys IQ Panel 2. If you have any questions on the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 or alarm systems in general, please contact us at support@alarmgrid.com or go to our website, alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you want future notifications on any future videos, please click the bell icon. This is Jarrett with Alarm Grid. You have yourself a great day.